Hello, YouTubers. Well, this might be my yearly update on the milk truck. As you can see by the length of the weeds, not much has been done because I haven't really got the money to afford anything yet. But if I get sponsored, I definitely put your company name or your name on the side of that. Look at that. Just think of all the names that could be put on there. But we came out here to have a look at her, the old girl, and to weed whack the weeds. Okay, so I'm not climbing in on that thing until the jungle gets mowed. So my helper is gonna help me. So we'll be right back. All right, yeah, here's the inside of this beast. It still has cigarette butts in it. Holy shit, eh? Oh, it must be the choke. Lots of garbage cans in here. Yeah. All right. Sure it's dusty, but then again, the window was open, so I let a lot of dirt in. Plus that would have a lot of dusting and stuff. Ain't no floorboards. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, no, I really wish I could do something with this. Get it working again. That would be so cool, man. Oh yeah, let's I'll show you the grass cutting job. It's been done. Okay, no more weeds. It was the weed cutting job. Looks way better. Very nice. Yeah. There's a pile of weeds. Got a sore back today. This is really hurting me. Cool. Did a good job. Alright, well, we might come back out here again this year. Oh, gotta close the door. Yeah. Where's my milk? Milkman! I'm kind of late on delivery. I want some chocolate milk, I want some cottage cheese, and 2%. Okay? All right. quite the machine, man. So you don't see anything like this anymore, unless you got one from a long time ago. Alright, well, that's it for this time. Might be back again this year. Alright, hope you liked the video. Give me a likes button so I can get some monetization. I need it. Okay, bye for now.